How to restore images and videos in Samsung S24 Ultra. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 Million Ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you that how you can restore your images and videos from the trash in your device. Okay, you might have deleted your photos or videos, or you might have intentionally deleted and now you want to restore it back. Then I'll tell you the exact way how you can do this. Okay, it's a very simple process. You just need to go to your mobile gallery. Okay, go to your mobile gallery and you have a lot of picture here. You have the option album, stories, and then click on this three dash, and then you have the option of recycle bin. Click on the recycle bin. Now all the file that you have deleted will be stored in the recycle bin. So now just select, just hold your finger on the file you want to restore. Just I want to restore this video, and then one image, this image, and then you just need to click here on the restore. Okay, now click on the restore and then it is restored. As you can see, go to the picture. Now you will see that your video is restored. Okay, let's go to the camera and then album, and then go to the camera and then check your video is restored. It will be restored to the same place. As you can see here, the video is restored. So I hope this video definitely helped you. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye bye, take care.